So the first thing I had to do was to loosen my hair. It was kind of really dirty, as you can see. It was really dirty and dusty. I think I've had this hairstyle for like 2 weeks now. This regular Didi, as we call it in Nigeria. I've had it for like 2 weeks, so my hair is really dirty. When I finished with that, we went ahead to wash the hair thoroughly. I mean, the lady was literally scrubbing and like massaging every part of the hair. So when we finished with that, we proceeded to blow drying it, and we used the regular blow dryer, so you might as well use that. We used that, and that lasted for about, I think, 5 to 10 minutes, but it took a while because my hair was really thick. So when we finished with that, the other lady went ahead to straighten my hair, because yeah, we needed a little bit more length in order to have the pony. If you didn't watch my last or my first ponytail video, I'm going to put the link in the description box. My hair was a lot much shorter, and the lady also tried to straighten it out, which helped. But here my hair is a little bit longer, so it was kind of easier than the first one I did, I guess. And I was really surprised my hair was this long. Like, guys, I couldn't believe my eyes. For a year, so we were just straightening, and the lady that was making the hair was like not like a childhood friend, but like we kind of grew up together in the same area, so we were gisting all through the hair. In case you see my head, in case you see my mouth moving here and there throughout the video, okay? Yeah, so I was actually really surprised that my hair has grown a lot longer compared to like the first time I made the ponytail. I was actually really happy about that, to be honest, because I don't know, I'm not just lucky with my hair, I guess. But yeah, moving ahead to the next stage, she's about to pack it into a pony, but I think it's actually well explanatory. But let's see. I guess, look at my mouth. I was just eating biscuit. I was really hungry that day, guys. But anyway, she's about to make the pony, and yeah, she's just using the thread. As you can see, I feel like this is well explanatory. And it was really tight. Oh god, I felt like my head was going to pull off from the hair, like they were going to go two separate ways. But yeah, I was still really glad my head could finally pack into a pony. It was really tight. Even as right now that I'm editing this video, I'm going to remove the head tomorrow because it's actually really tight. Okay, now she used an attachment, the regular attachment, and she's just weaving it with my hair, I guess. Yeah, right. She's just weaving my hair with the attachment like you would do with the normal regular braids. Okay, so let's see. All right, as you can see, she's weaving, and oh god, I don't know, I felt like I was going to lose my entire hair. Yeah, but anyway, thank you guys for the love on my previous videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you guys are good. I hope you're doing well. I'm also making this voiceover in the middle of the night in case you can hear any weird sounds. Guys, I'm really tired and exhausted. I just have to like complete this video. Okay, whatever, that's not necessary. Now she's using the thread to like stitch in together. As you can see, I'm not a hairdresser. This is what she's doing. Okay, now she's cutting the excess part of the attachment. Okay, good. So this is what is going to make our little cute ponytail. Okay, so babes, can you see that band she's holding? It's the regular band you would use for your normal wig. Say you want to attach like a band to the back of your wig to make it stay in place. Yeah, that is the exact type of band she used for this hair. And you're going to see what she did with it in a bit. She just stitched it around the braided knot, I guess. Okay, yes, that's exactly what she did. Like, she's okay. I think it's just to make it tight, something like that. And then she went ahead to stitch it together with the already braided hair. Exactly. Good. I hope you can see that. Yeah, so she's basically wrapping the same exact band she used earlier on, the wigging band, and she's stitching it onto the bun, which is where the weave on is actually going to stay on by the time she attaches it. Yes, so keep on watching. Alright, so the next thing to do was to blow dry the hair. I kind of really didn't like the fact that they used an hand dryer here. I was expecting the regular sit down blow dryer like the one that I used in the previous video, but this was what she used, and I kind of didn't really have a choice. I also guess that was why the hair didn't last for a long time, and it was really itchy. It was just really different from the first one I did anyway. But yeah, it lasted for what I needed it for. I needed it for like 2 or 3 days, which it lasted for. But if you are going to ever do this style, I would suggest that you use the regular sit down dryer, you get me. And the hair I used here, like the weave on I attached to this particular bun, was Darling the Empress collection, and I've had it at home for the longest time. So when I showed it to the lady, she said it would work, and then she just stitched it around the bun. I used 1.5 for this particular one, so just make sure the weave on you are going to be using is going to be really straight, I guess. So that is going to make it straight for as long as you have it on. Every other thing here is well explanatory. I'm just going to play you guys a cool background music so that you can vibe to it while you watch the video. And at a point I switched to my phone because my camera was not picking up all the details. So if you see it's kind of blurry, pardon me. I used my camera and I was the only one filming. I had to tell the girl to like film for me for a while, but she couldn't do it as much as I would have loved it to come out. So yeah, just enjoy. Please, if you watch up until this point, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you find it helpful, and also share this video. Thank you so much. I am going to see you in my next one. Okay, bye.